Hi everyone, this is Pratyush, founder of Proxlight, and welcome to a new video. In this video, we will be generating an art using an AI. Yes, this can be done with the help of some website and some applications. So let's start creating an art, but we will be making use of its website to create realistic AI images. So let's jump right over to our MacBook. So here I am inside my computer screen. So as you can see, we have opened the wombo.art. This is the website. I will be giving the link in the description. So let's go over to here and let's type the prompt we want to achieve. So for example, let's take a pre-made over here like sunset clips, and you can just set it over here. You can add your own, and you can even though add some more stuff like HD, Ultra HD, things like that. Now, things I have been looking for is the realistic thing. So let me show you. Before this version, it has given all the themes except this realistic one. As you can see over here, this is the realistic one, and on realistic theme you have to add your images. Now for this example, you can choose any images. It is purely optional, so we won't choose any images and you just choose a realistic one. I will be showing you how to add images and what does that image affect in your final art. So let me show you. First we will create a realistic one and let's click on create. This might take some time, so just wait for it. As you can see, it has created 4 different kind of styles, and out of which it will select the best one. So let me wait over here, and as you can see, we have the best clip over here. So this looks pretty much amazing. As you can see, this really look realistic. As you can see, it does create a realistic image. I do like it. So this really looks great. Now you can click on over here to generate another art on the same topic. This might take some time, but it will create an art that is purely different from the first one. So this one is the second art, and it looks really realistic and it is purely original. Now you can add your title over here, for example, sunset or things like that. And now you can also mint your art as an NFT, and even though you can buy the print by check out their store. You should check out their store. They have really cool things over there. And now you can even though save it. Over here you can click on save to save it. So you can download this image. It is very easy. Now let's try to add some more effect. So there are different kind of effect over here. You can choose any one of these, but I really like the realistic one because it's create realistic effect. Let me show you. So first of all, we will be creating a realistic one, and let's choose an image. So for example, this one. Let's say we want to choose this one, and let's crop it out. And let's change the topic. So for example, it should be fire and water. And in this case, as you can see, I will be showing you what the similarity should be between the image and your final art. So you can add a weak, normal and a strong effect on your image. So let's set it to like normal, and let's click on start.
One eternity later.
So as you can see, it does create a water on fire. It looks super cool. And let me show you what does the image affect our art. As you can see, the image does have a black background, and over here you can notice that there is a black background, and this is how the image influence your art. So this looks really cool. And now you can also just remove this one, and let's generate again on the same topic, and I will be choosing again realistic, and let's create again. And this time it should generate a different artwork on different genre. So as you can see, this is a different art. So there you go. It is kind of a wavy structure of a fire. So basically it's water and fire combination that looks super cool. Now you can add different kind of topics over here. You can generate anything, any imaginary thing. For example, anything you don't have that really existed in this world. You can type that also over here. Like a butterfly with fires. So this is the topic. I don't know if it works or not, but let's try to create it.
A few moments later.
Whoa. It does create it, and as you can see, it looks super cool. You can set it as your logo or different kind of things. So I will just save it over here. Again, you can even though publish it on your different account. You can sign up over here or create an account in this particular platform, but for this case I will just save it. So you can use this image as a artwork or as a logo for your company. So this is the tool and it works really fine. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you would like this video, and if you did, then consider subscribing and hit that like button below. I will meet you in another tutorial. Until then, stay creative.